using artificial intelligence to help doctors better screen for serious heart conditions. The FDA has given clearance to Berkeley-based digital health company Echo for its technology that they say will turn a regular stethoscope into a powerful tool that can easily detect irregularities in a patient's heartbeat, like heart murmurs and atrial fibrillation, or AFib. For more, we're joined now by Connor Landgraf, one of the founders of Echo. Connor, thanks for coming in. So how does artificial intelligence work in this product to help doctors better screen for heart disease?
Yeah, thanks so much for having me on the show.
Sure thing.
I appreciate the chance to be here. What Echo does is we use artificial intelligence to help translate and help analyze the heart sounds and the ECG coming from a patient's heart. And then we give that insight to the physicians to help them more confidently detect heart disease in the office with their patients.
Okay, so you brought one of the devices along with you here.
Yep, yeah.
And so this can all happen much more quickly. The analysis of a patient's heartbeat, let's just say, can happen much more quickly than it does now.
Exactly, yeah. And we can do it on every patient. So we can screen every patient's heart for the conditions that might be pretty common. So atrial fibrillation, which is very common in folks, typically over the age of 65. It's very frequently misdiagnosed. And so not every patient gets an ECG or a more advanced cardiac screening test. And so what this can do is give every clinician the chance to more accurately screen patients for heart disease.
I think you guys, the way you guys put it, it turns your average physician into a cardiologist.
That's what we want to accomplish, yeah, is give every clinician the confidence when they're listening to patients' heart sounds or looking at that ECG to do so with that confidence of a cardiologist.
All right, so how did this all start? I know that you and your colleagues at Echo,
yep.
This started, you graduated from Cal, or you were students still at Cal in 2015, and you created a smart stethoscope that kind of streamlined this whole process of screening for irregular heart conditions. How did this all start, and what was the impetus for it? Why did you want to create something like this?
Yeah, the impetus really was conversations with clinicians who listened to heart sounds but didn't necessarily have the confidence to be able to hear those minute differences between a healthy heart and a diseased heart. And what we really saw was the opportunity with machine learning, like you see in Alexa or Siri or Shazam, to be able to analyze sound. We could use that with hearts to be able to analyze heart sounds and then provide that intelligence in the stethoscope in a simple form factor so that each clinician could quickly assess, is there a sound here that might represent disease, and should we refer that patient to a cardiologist or another screening test?
Okay, so how many physicians, it sounds like there is at least one clinic in San Francisco already using your latest artificial intelligence stethoscope. Anyone else getting on board here, and what's that process like to convince doctors that they should be using this on a regular basis?
Yeah, physicians are very evidence-driven, and so it takes time. They want to make sure, and their physicians should be, they want to make sure everything is credible. And so it's going to take us some time to demonstrate that clinical evidence, but we're going to be working with some health systems in the next few months to roll this out to their clinicians. And the goal would be, very soon to be in clinicians' hands everywhere.
And hopefully save a lot of lives, potentially.
Yeah.
Okay, we have to leave the conversation there. Really appreciate you coming in to explain this technology.
Thank
Connor Landgraf from the company Echo, based in Berkeley.
Thanks
so much. Appreciate it.